This guy is very shy, but I'm sure you've seen him before. Benson, he's given me top class recommendations, and guess where we are? We are at this place called Caprial, and we are heading in. Benson, show us the way. We are at this restaurant called Caprial, and he went in and he's come back because the restaurant is full. But let me show you. Yeah, that's how it looks. Super cool place and nice, photo frames on the walls and everything. Yes, and there's more place right inside as well. So there's like a small area here as well. Because it's full inside, we are seated here. Sorry, I didn't introduce myself. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and okay, he's called us in, so we finally got our place. We're heading inside for food. All right, so let's go through the menu. And okay, they have quite a lot of things on their menu. So let's start from this side. As you can see here, it's written here Ras Omelette, also known as Ross Omelette. So these are the appetizers here, and these are the rates. So the rates look pretty okay. Besides that, they have fish fry here as well, mackerel, Bombay duck, chonak. And okay, now here this side there are more non-veg starters. So there's omelette here, egg burji, chicken chili. So Benson here is the expert. He knows this place inside out. He knows a lot of places inside out. And if you need any recommendations, you should DM Benson on his Instagram. It's okay, man. You just reply. Right. So let's go through the menu quickly. You can pause the video and have a look at the menu. Okay, so this is the alcohol section. Yeah, so we are pretty much done here. So we are expecting one of Benson's cousin also is going to join us, right? So what are the specialities over here? What's famous here?
Fish is famous.
Fish. Only fish?
All items.
All items. Okay. Alright. So we are just waiting, and as you can see here, the restaurant is packed and people, they seem to enjoy their food, and I did see some more people entering as well. So let's see what we'll order. So we've gone here for a starter, and this one here is the Bombil Rava fry. So Rava is this semolina coating that is there outside, a little bit of salad, and there's this green chutney. The busy man, always on calls, keeps getting a lot of calls, but yes, I cannot wait for this because otherwise this will become soft. So just look at this. It's hot right now and it's got a lovely coating. Let Benson review this. Benson, what do you think? Good?
Lovely crispy.
Lovely crispy, he says. A man of few words. Exactly as he described. Crispy. It's a bit spicy. Nice masalas inside. And it's perfect. Just what you expect out of a Bombil Rava fry. And the chutney over here pairs with it really well. Is giving the orders. We've ordered for a chonak thali. He did not even ask me. He read my mind. Chonak is something we love, and Adrian, if you're watching, I'm sorry, you're going to really miss this one. Superb, guys. I'm really very impressed with the Bombil here. Just check the thali. Impressive. Look at the size of the chonak. It is huge. Change? Front view? Yeah, no problem. It's okay. So, by popular demand, Benson has requested this to show the thali properly. So, look at this. Mountain of rice, huge chonak. This one here is some gravy. What gravy is this? Prawns? Some fish gravy. Okay, we don't know. Sol kadhi, tisrio, and gulab jamun, which is very, very big, but yeah.
Fish size.
Fish size, yeah. The highlight is the fish size. So, Salo is here from his office break. And let's have the thali now. So today, my review will be last, but Benson's review will be the first review. So Benson, describe the thali for us.
It's lovely, delicious.
Lovely, delicious. What do you like the most? How's the fish? Crispy? You didn't try the fish yet?
Didn't try.
What gravy is this? Prawns gravy?
Prawns gravy.
Nice. And
Prawn
that
curry.
Salo He's setting up his thali. Let's see what Salvo has to say. Salvo has nothing to say. Both of them have nothing to say. I think I only have to say everything. Okay. So,
He didn't even try the thali and he say it's good, delicious.
now he's talking.
Huh? Fish is fresh.
Fish is fresh. Guys, as I always say, Benson, his recommendations are always top class. Alright. So just looking at the thali, I know that this is going to be good. So let's mix this up really well. This is Indian food, guys. So obviously you need to eat all of this with your hand. Okay. Let's go for the sona. So that was prawns gravy. Let's mix this up well and try it. Just like home cooked food. Prawns gravy is perfect, not too spicy. Has got very good balanced flavors. And once again, guys, look at the size of the soda. Very nice, flavorful, crispy, fresh as Benson mentioned. Amazing curry. Now, let's mix a little bit of pickle and have that as well. As you can see, all of us are busy having the thali. Here is kishmoor as well. So I like that they've given us a lot of variety. Very good salad as well. And look at this tissue. So let's do the test and see if there is actually something inside, because in most of the places you just find masala. Okay, look at this. So there's decent amount of meat in there. Again, perfect flavors, coconut, spices. Tastes very good. And I'm going to save this very big gulab jamun that they have given for the end. Now let's have the soul curry. Oh, sweet, tangy, just hits the spot. And as you can see, we don't really have to say much. Thali has been really very amazing. After a long time we are having thali. We've had so much continental cuisine and different kinds of cuisine. But yes, back to the basics and a perfect, Goan thali in the afternoon. Boys, anything else you want to say before we close the video? Alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.